Welcome to Inspiring Tales. Today we bring you a very thought-provoking story about two small seeds resting quietly beneath the dark, fertile spring soil. The beautiful garden was finally waking up from a long, cold winter. The bright sun began to warm the earth, preparing it for new life. Deep under the ground, laying side by side, were two tiny seeds. They were identical in every way, holding the exact same potential for greatness. The first seed was incredibly excited about the future. She could feel the gentle warmth of the spring sun penetrating through the dark brown dirt. "I want to grow," the first seed announced proudly. "I want to send my roots deep down into the soil to build a strong foundation. I want to push my tiny sprouts completely through the heavy crust of the earth above me," she continued, her voice filled with amazing passion. "I want to unfold my fragile leaves like beautiful green banners, announcing the arrival of spring to the entire world," the first seed declared happily. "I want to feel the warmth of the sun on my face and the soft morning dew on my delicate petals," she whispered with joy. Driven by her beautiful vision, the first seed began to work. She pushed her strong roots downwards into the earth, securing her place firmly. Slowly but surely, a tiny green shoot emerged from the seed. With great effort, it pushed upward through the thick, heavy layers of dark soil. It wasn't easy. The dirt was densely packed, and pushing through required immense strength and determination. But she never gave up on her beautiful dream. Finally, the little green sprout broke through the surface of the earth. She took her very first breath of fresh, crisp, clean spring morning air. The world above was more beautiful than she had ever imagined. The bright sunlight kissed her tiny green leaves, giving her wonderful, life-sustaining, warm energy. Days turned into weeks, and the brave little sprout continued to grow taller and stronger. She embraced every single drop of refreshing rain that fell. Eventually, she blossomed into a magnificent, vibrant red flower. She danced gracefully in the gentle breeze, fully enjoying the amazing beauty of her wonderful life. Now, let us look back at the second seed. She was still resting quietly in the dark dirt, exactly where she had been originally planted. The second seed was absolutely terrified. "I am too afraid to grow," she whispered to herself, trembling in the cold, dark, and lonely underground space. "If I send my soft roots down into the unknown earth, I might hit a dangerously sharp rock that could easily damage them completely," she worried. "If I push my delicate stems up through the hard, unforgiving soil, I might break them under the intense pressure of the heavy dirt above. What if I manage to open my beautiful leaves, only to have I bloom into a beautiful flower, and a small child brutally pulls me out of the ground from my roots," she continued imagining. "No, the outside world is far too dangerous for a tiny seed like me. It is much safer if I simply stay right here," she concluded. So, the second seed decided to do absolutely nothing. She stayed hidden in the comfortable darkness, paralyzed completely by her own deeply rooted irrational fears. She refused to take a single risk. She believed that staying in her tiny comfort zone would successfully protect her from all the world's dangers. But the world above was constantly moving and changing. One sunny afternoon, a hungry yard hen wandered into the beautiful garden looking for a quick snack. The large bird began walking around, scratching the soft, dark earth with her sharp, powerful claws, searching desperately for tasty bugs or hidden lost seeds. The hen scratched the exact spot where the fearful second seed was hiding. The protective dirt was quickly moved away, exposing the small, cowardly seed. Without any hesitation, the hungry hen spotted the tiny seed resting in the soil. In one swift motion, she ate the seed completely whole. And just like that, the second seed's life was over before it ever truly began. Her intense fear had sadly become her ultimate, devastating downfall. This powerful story teaches us a profound lesson about life. The first seed embraced the unknown, took necessary risks, and ultimately experienced a beautiful existence. The second seed allowed her fears to control her entirely. By refusing to grow, she ultimately lost the very life she was trying so hard to protect. Life is a journey of continuous growth and discovery. If we want to reach our true potential, we must boldly step out of our safe comfort zones. Yes, taking risks can be incredibly frightening. We might face obstacles, make painful mistakes, or experience difficult challenges along our personal path to ultimate success. However, the greatest danger in life is completely refusing to take any risks at all. If you do nothing, you will never learn or grow. When you let fear dictate your choices, you bury your talents, your dreams, and your incredible potential deep within the dark ground of missed opportunities. Do not be like the fearful second seed. Do not let the unpredictable nature of the world stop you from blooming into your true self. Embrace the challenges that come your way. Push through the heavy dirt of doubt and reach confidently towards the bright, shining sun of your dreams. Remember, real courage is not the total absence of fear. Courage is simply taking positive action despite feeling deeply afraid of the unknown outcomes ahead. Every successful person you admire once had to break out of their own shell. They had to face their fears and push through difficult circumstances. Your life is a precious gift. Do not waste it by hiding in the shadows. Step into the light and share your unique beauty everywhere. Now, let us take a moment to review some highly important English vocabulary words we learned from today's wonderful and highly inspiring philosophical garden story. Our very first important word is courage. Courage simply means the ability to do something that frightens you. It is showing incredible bravery during difficult times. For example, you can practice saying, "It takes immense courage to follow your dreams when everyone else heavily doubts your unique abilities and personal vision." Our second very important phrase is comfort zone. A comfort zone is a psychological state where things feel completely familiar, safe, and easily manageable for you. You can proudly say, "To experience true personal growth, you must be willing to step outside of your normal comfort zone and try entirely new things." Our third essential English vocabulary word is potential. Potential refers to latent qualities or hidden abilities that may be fully developed and lead to future success. For instance, you could brightly say, "Every single person holds the incredible potential to achieve true greatness if they are willing to work incredibly hard." Our fourth wonderful word for today is blossom. To blossom means to produce beautiful flowers or to mature into a highly successful and deeply confident individual. You might practice by saying, "With the right amount of loving care and excellent education, her hidden talents began to beautifully blossom for the entire world." Our final important vocabulary word is risk. A risk is a situation involving exposure to absolute danger or taking an action with an incredibly uncertain outcome. You can confidently say, "Starting a brand new business is always a huge financial risk, but the amazing potential rewards can be absolutely life-changing." Excellent job today. Practicing these highly useful English words in your daily conversations will significantly improve your overall speaking confidence and wonderful language mastery skills. We sincerely hope that the beautiful story of the two seeds has deeply inspired you to bravely face your deepest fears and continuously chase your dreams. The world truly needs the special gifts that only you can perfectly provide. Please do not keep them hidden safely away in the dark, underground shadows. Start planting your wonderful seeds of greatness today. Water them with highly positive thoughts, feed them with daily consistent action, and proudly watch your life beautifully transform. Thank you so very much for joining us on this incredible, inspiring journey today. Your wonderful dedication to learning English is truly amazing and deeply admirable. If you found deep value in today's important story, please consider sharing this video with a good friend who might need some beautiful encouragement today. We constantly release new, highly inspiring stories that are specifically designed to help you master the wonderful English language while learning amazing, profound life lessons. Please do not forget to hit the big subscribe button below, like this inspiring video, and ring the small notification bell to never miss an update. Leave a comment below telling us what fear you plan to overcome next. Keep learning, keep growing beautifully, and we will absolutely see you next time.